Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I wasn't going to do a review on this, but I used it a couple days ago and I am blown away. And it is the Pixnor 7-in-1 Beauty Face Massager. Now I know these facial brush cleaners are all over right now and almost everyone has one, but my husband actually got me this one for Christmas and it is amazing. So I have to show you guys exactly what it is. So this is the tool. And it's 7 attachments. It's got some for applying makeup and some for cleaning your face and some for buffing off the rough skin, which is great because I tend to have dry skin, so I always have like little flakes. So this one is great for when you need to just get those all off to apply your foundation more evenly. So this one is the one I'm gonna start with first. You just snap it in like that and it's ready to go. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. So basically all it does is spin and get off all those flakes and buff out some of the imperfections that might be on your face to make your face much more smoother. It's not too hard like I thought it might have been the first time I used it. I thought it was going to be too rough and kind of hurt, but it's really not, but I can feel it really doing its job. Another cool tool on here is a massager ball. So I'm just gonna put that in. And it literally just massages your face. There's 3 different brushes, really soft, medium soft, and more of a coarser small bristle brush. I'm gonna use the coarser one just because I think it does a really good job cleaning. If you have more sensitive skin, I would definitely go with the fluffier, more lighter, longer brush. So all you're gonna do is wet the bristles on the brush and apply your face soap or cleanser or whatever you use in the mornings. And you're just gonna use those bristles to clean it all over your face. So after I've rinsed off the soap, my face feels so clean and smooth, and I can tell that my pores have looked smaller, and I haven't had any acne in like 2 weeks since I got this thing, which is amazing because I have pretty good acne prone skin, and man, does this thing work. So I've prepped my face and I have my sponge on the device, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of my stick foundation just because it's easiest. And now we're going to use the tool to see if I can blend it. Alright you guys, so I think that's as good as it's going to get with applying the foundation. It did okay. I wouldn't really recommend it for that because I think just a beauty blender or a normal brush works just as good. It left a little bit of splotchiness just because I felt like I was kind of fighting it in a couple places. But overall, you guys, I love this brush and I highly recommend it. It's called the Pixnor and you can find it for about $23 on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye!